want to add an accent pop to your house, have you thought about a metal roof? Today I'm at a job site with Caesar from Howard & Sons Roofing, where we're actually seeing a metal roof get installed. It's beautiful to start with. That's the first thing I really notice is the dramatic impact it's going to have on the house.
Absolutely. Really excited to be installing a metal roof here in IB. Gorgeous color, as you can tell. It's going to look really, really nice with the yellow contrast of the house.
They're really sticking with that beachy theme, which I love. For the neighborhood, it goes really well. Is this a common color?
It really isn't. Traditionally people go for the darker grays, sometimes white, but we have a huge color palette for you to choose from. So there's a lot of color availability for you.
So it's great to know, it's a great example, I should say, of the options that are available, because it might not be common, but it is available and there's a wide selection. Absolutely. What are the benefits she's going to get? This homeowner chose a metal roof on purpose. Why was that?
Longevity more than anything. We talked about it last segment, how long the metal roof lasts. This will probably be the last roof she'll ever have to install in this home.
Wow. And what goes into the underlayers behind the metal roof? Because it's not just as simple as just slapping a metal on your roof.
Correct. So every installation is different. It varies. In this particular case, we installed a peel and stick underlayment, and that's what we chose to use for this roof.
I love that we're outside here. You can hear the helicopters going by. They're just watching the guys doing the work, I can tell, because they're so excited about seeing the metal roof as well. So we've got an underlayment, and that's really what's going to do the protection of the house. But she's not going to get any different outcome from this metal roof. She's still going to be able to put solar and walk on it. Is that right? She's going to get the same lifestyle benefits, just a beautiful look.
Absolutely correct. So walkability is available. You can absolutely walk on the metal roof. That's a common misconception that people think that once they install the metal roof that they're not able to walk on it. That's not true.
Yeah.
Solar panels are able to be installed as well, and that's something that we can coordinate when the installation is in progress.
If they're choosing to go solar.
Correct.
So it's nice to know that it's not really limiting them from anything when they decide when you want to get a metal roof, because it's such a great option. And here, the sea air is so damaging to most materials. How's this going to hold up here?
That's a good point. We're so close to the water. This standing seam metal roof is going to be is coated with a Kynar 500 coating, which is going to protect it against the elements.
So not only is she going to get that beautiful color, it's going to come with all the benefits of coating it and keeping it so it's going to be durable and it's going to last her a really long time.
Absolutely.
If you want to get a metal roof, you've got to go with the experts at Howard & Sons. You can find more information at ApprovedHomePros.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.